Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amarin Shahira binti Abdul Hadi. My metric numbers is S52058. I will present on project design and evaluation for my final report. So my title is Evaluation on Ladang Udang Pisting Aqua at Marang, Terengganu. For the introduction, the project evaluation has been run by Ladang Udang Pisting Aqua that culture giant freshwater prawn Macrobrachium rosenbergi and Ladang Udang Pisting Aqua located at Marang, Terengganu. This aquaculture farm owned by Muhammad Sulaiman Umar. This farm consists of office for the staff, which is 4 staff, have machine, pond, transportation and laboratory. For the production and operationals, this farm consists 5 ponds for culturing M. rosenbergi. This farm use technology biofloc to culture the livestock. This pond is coated with thick plastic HDPE lining to prevent the outer element from the soil changing the water quality as well as the turbine for ventilation. For the production process, seed. They used to buy the seed due to its quality. The seed cost per year is RM 3,584,000, which is RM 1.6260 ringgit per seed. They buy for per season. Then the feed cost per year is RM 432,000, which is 2.4 ringgit per kilo. They also buy for per season. The stocking density normally varies from 4,000 to 50,000, depending on the type and intensity of the management practice. For the feed, this M. rosenbergi need a pellet feed which use a commercially available brown feed that was 38% protein. This M. rosenbergi will feed twice a day. They get seeds from the trusted supplier. Then the production and process. The seeds are collected from the supplier and placed in the nursery pond for 16 until 35 days before they are placed in a growing pond, and the M. rosenbergi being released in pond, it takes about 6 months to gain weight of about 60 to 70 grams, which is the marketable size. For harvesting and processing, for the drain harvesting, efficient cumulative harvesting can be best done through the construction of a catch basin inside a drainable reservoir. It is highly important to provide a steady flow of new fresh water into the catch basin. And then for the cool harvesting, a sand net is pulled across the pond to eradicate the market size of prawn. Extending 2 signs around the middle of the pond is one way to ensure that scene does not get crowded when a whole pond is being seen. This farm used the drain harvesting and cool harvesting to raise the freshwater prawn to the market size. During the harvesting processing, the M. rosenbergi are selected to their weight to fulfill the customer demand. So this is the taxonomy of the M. rosenbergi. For the kingdom is Animalia, for the phylum Arthropoda, for the class Malacosroca latril, order Decapoda latril, the family Palamonida raffinesque, for the genus Macrobrachium bate, for the species Macrobrachium rosenbergi. Then marketing plan. First, trend and industry growth. This farm has been operating since 2014 in industry of aquaculture. They have a good quality seed, get from trusted supplies. The market overview. This product will sell based on their size of M. rosenbergi. The weight are harvested at 50 grams per piece. It differentiates by their grade such as below. First, grade A. The standard price is RM 60 to 65 ringgit. For grade B, RM 50 and grade C, RM 45 ringgit. And then market size and trend. Agriculture producers such as equipment manufacturer, pesticides and fertilizer suppliers, seeds company, storage business and research firm. And then the target market segment. The target market of this product are to direct retail sales and direct wholesale such as customer restaurant, supermarket or store. Then market characteristic. This farm at Terengganu has no competitor around them because they are an only company that run freshwater prawn at that place. It is also the strategic place to run the project. And then marketing strategy. First, relation marketing. They focus on customer retention in order to improve the relationships with current customer. Second, cost marketing, known as cost-related marketing, connect with social costs and goods services. Third, undercover marketing involve advertising to customer in a manner that they do not realize they are being marketed to. Fourth, scarcity marketing. It induces a perception of a scarcity that tends to motivate consumer to buy out of fear that in the future. And then strategic opportunities. Farming system can be proactively handled in accordance with the internal and external environment in order to achieve the long-term objective of the farming sector of the mine was used as it can minimize water costs. And lastly, the promotion and distribution. First, providing information in the early stages of the product life cycle. Insightful promotion is more common, such as the importance and quality of the product. Second, keeping loyal customer. The promotion is also used to keep people from switching from others. For example, we can use slogan or campaign for the product so that the product are easily recognizable. And then creating awareness. Promotion through advertising on social media sites, local radio or television, local paper coupon, flyer and so on may raise awareness of the project. So this is the financial analysis. For the source of financial and capital required is from bank loan. For the production year is 79,850. For the price is RM62 ringgit for the standard price. For the total revenue 4,920,000. For the investment of this project is 700,000. For the operating cost, which is feed, seeds, laboratory, petrol consumption, and the total is 4,221,940. For the feed cost, such as electric, water, and other bills, is 2,700, and per year is 32,400. For the maintenance per year is 7,500. This is depreciation 10% year from investment. For the staff salary, for 4 staff, per month is RM2,000 and per year is RM96,000. For the SST is 6%, time life of project is 10 years, interest rate 6%, and salvage value after 10 years is 20%. For the IRR is 25.18%, for BC ratio 1.20, payback period is 2.89. Then this is for BEP. The BEP is RM 222,108.70 ringgit. Then this is the cash flow of the Ladang Udang Pristine Aqua at Marang, Terengganu. This cash flow shows the time life project for 10 years. So that for the result AB is 242,536.2. For the net benefit, for the NPV, I tried for discount factor at 6%, and the answer get 875259.2307. For the trial one, find the positive NPV. So the NPV one is 8667.053252. And the second trial for the negative NPV, I tried at discount factor at 30%, which is negative 23534.854. So the IRR is 25.18% and the payback period is 2.89. Then the second cash flow is the variable cost increase 3% since second year. So the NPV I get negative 2453879.64, which is not go, and the IRR is 35.50%, and the payback period is negative 2.84. So then the last cash flow that I tried is selling price is decreased 3%, and the NPV is negative 2337414.27, which is also not go. The IRR is 35.98%, and the payback period is negative 3.09. In conclusion, NPV is greater than 0 and gross PC is greater than 1. This indicates the project are feasible to go. The IRR equals to 25.18%, which is greater than discount factor 6%. This also indicates the project are feasible to go. Payback period is 2.89. The project can be repaid over 10 years. When the price of production cost increased by 3% from the normal price starting in year 2, the NPV is less than 0 and gross BC is greater than 1, so that indicate the project are feasible, not go. The IRR equals to 35.50% and the payback period is negative 2.84. Then selling price is which decrease by 3% from the normal price starting in year 2. The NPV is less than 0 and gross BC is greater than 1, so that indicate the project are feasible, not go. The IRR equals to 35.198% and the payback period is negative 3.09. That's all from me. Thank you.